So you're gonna have to come check out the Ocean Beach Hospital Foundation's home tour. This is just one of the houses on the tour. I'll show you a little of the front and back, and you're gonna have to buy tickets to come see the inside of this great house. You can see it's got an awesome view. The back is just as great. Tickets are on sale for $30, and I'll post links below for places that you can buy your tickets. It's a great cause. It goes towards the foundation. So come out and see these houses. There's gonna be 9 on the tour, plus a hotel and pub, which is your brand new At the Helm Hotel and Pub down there in Wahkiakum. So come check out these houses. You're not gonna wanna miss these. And this will be another house on the tour. It's like one of those little houses that has so many awesome little surprises inside. The decor she has, you're gonna wanna come check out this house also.